Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial we are going to see the structure of a Spring Boot project. So this is my IntelliJ ID and this is the project we have created in the first video of this tutorial series. And here you can see we have source, and if I extend these we have main and test. So this test folder is for unit testing, and if I go this pom.xml you will see our Maven dependencies. Here we have added this web dependencies in the first video, and by default this unit testing is added in our dependencies. So if I go there, you can see we are using model version 4 and Spring version is 2.1.4, and this is the Spring tutorial name of this project, and Java version we are using 1.8, and this is our pom XML file. And if I go in main, you will see two folders, Java and resources. I think you do understand what is Java is. Java is where you are going to write all of the Java code, and if I want to expand this resource, and here you can see this is static and templates. So what is static and templates? The static is the file where you are going to put all of your CSS, JS and other dependencies of your front end. So all the front end libraries will go under this static folder, and all the HTML files will go under this template. So if you have index.html, product.html, or whatever it is named, it should go there. And other than that, CSS, JS file should go this static folder. So if I go there, this is the configuration setting of application.properties, the configuration setting. We will talk about this later on our video. And if I expand this Java, and here you can see the main file of our project, and here we can create different packages by clicking by giving right click, new and packages. So by creating the different packages, we are going to structure this project, and we are going to have different package for controller, service implementation, repository. So this is the basic structure of Spring Boot tutorial. And if you are more interested to know most of these things, you can go Spring Boot documentation and you can learn more about these. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel.